Hey y'all, I'm going to start this out with a voiceover and then it just goes into real time because I was yammering away to some scrappy friends while I was recording the beginning of this. And I ended up doing some stitching on this layout. So it took most of the talking time to just do the stitching. I had this big old hanker to do it. So you see the papers I'm using there. This first layout I was thinking of, I was like, let me do kind of a summer beachy layout. And here's a photo of my daughter on the left and my son's girlfriend on the right. And although this picture was taken in very early May, it was like 80 something degrees and it was beautiful. Look at how cool these sunglasses are. Those are an exclusive for Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And this is a die cut, and I'm going to do something with the die cut that's not super die cutty. I have the world's oldest Amy Tan Pokerator mat and pokey tool. So I pulled them out and I started looking through all kinds of embellishments that might also work with this kit. So that's where I am starting. So, when I looked at this foodie kit, I thought it was so fun because I saw all of these different topics and different ways that I could approach this, all these different ways that I could approach layouts. And yes, I have hundreds of pictures of food, absolutely do. But it's also fun to look at a grouping or a collection of products and kind of pick out things in there that you can do that are just a little bit different. And that's the direction I chose to go in with this layout. So what I'm going to do is figure out where I like this die cut piece to go. And I'm also going to be concentrating on grabbing some embroidery floss. Oh, do you see how I poked the little holes all around those bits? And I'm going to do the embroidery floss, like one word being yellow, one blue, and one that corally kind of color. And I'm showing you the pokey tool. Now I can go live. So let's take a look at where we are right now. I have my photo double matted with this really great paper here. It is called Good Day Sunshine by Echo Park. I'm sorry, that's the collection, and it is Sweet Treat. So I have my photo matted with both sides of this. I'm going to cut out a few little popsicles from, actually I have a smaller piece I can cut them out from. I'm looking at my scraps. I'll cut out a couple of these, little detail, cut them out. That would be cute. Now these are an a la carte item and I love the aqua. So I think I'm going to do a little aqua on aqua. And I also took two of our die cut pieces that are from this, our die cut pack. What is it called? It is the Echo Park Farmhouse Kitchen Ephemera Pack. And I trimmed out the insides of them. So this one went on this one went inside there. And I trimmed them out and made them into cute little shaker pockets. And I used the sequins from the Foodie sequined set and created cute little shaker pockets with them. So I have that. I have a couple little die cuts I like with them. I know I want my photo right here, and I think it needs to get popped up on just a little bit of craft foam. So we'll do that. So I am feeling like it needs just a little bit of shadow behind it. You see I have my title here that I used with my die cut. So pretty much I'm just going along and adding little bits and pieces as I go. And I think I'm pretty good with the location of where I want my photo. And we do have nice little grid lines right here. So I should be able to nestle it in and use these lines. I think I'll put it just a little bit closer. There we go. Because we have these tone on tone like little tile pieces. And yeah, I can use them as great little marker pieces. So I'm going to keep working on this. I wanted to show you where I was going with this. I'm going to cut out some cute little popsicles that match this. I did take the colors of my embroidery floss from the colors in my little popsicles. So I want to make sure to include some of them on. And I know you can see it around the outside, but I'm really playing up that idea. I mean, and goodness, guys, look at how cute the shaker pockets are. They're so cute. Actually, while I'm at it, I can go ahead and stick this cute little piece down. It's just a little galvanized like milk jug kind of thing, and has some flowers in it. And I have this little shaker pocket for no good reason. I just like the wood grain. So that works. And I'll do the same thing with this little frame piece, which yes, I could have turned this into a shaker pocket just fine, I know. But I was feeling like having a nice little overlap kind of thing. Let's see. Right about, come on, little guy. I want to make sure that it lines up nicely. There we go. And we'll go ahead and stagger this as well, so I can use this piece as a really nice cluster piece. All right, so all of my bits that are currently on here are down. I'm going to keep working on this and I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, so I'm playing along. I did add in some of these adorable stars. They're from Pretty Little Studio Frosty collection. They were in the a la carte section, so that is super fun. I have detail cut out my cute little popsicles, which is bringing all those colors in. Now I want to add this chipboard piece right here from the Heidi Swap. Let's see, it's Heidi Swap stickers. Does it have a name? Does it have a name? I don't see a name. Anywho, I liked the tone on tone of this piece here, so I thought I could go ahead and add it in. It's not going to take away from the title, it's just going to add to it a little bit. I have a geo tag as well from the same sticker sheet, so I have some chipboard on here. We're doing what we can to keep adding interest, and I have a little chipboard star down here. This piece right here was on our sticker sheet, which is, where the heck is my sticker sheet? Oh, here it is. And I have to see if I want to add anything else in here. I mean, this is about farming and all that kind of stuff, but I just kind of went with my foodie kit into a nice little good weather summery kind of a layout. So I think it's cute. I think it's fun. I love that these colors are going so well with this collection, that with, you know, bringing in some of the deep teal, a little bit of the greenish tone, all of that good stuff. Super pretty. So I just saw this flower and I can always find a way to tuck floral bits in, and I think it keeps things super interesting. So that works. I have flowers there, there, and there now. So my 3 clusters are feeling, ooh, that's cute, rather floral. I don't need to add that in. So am I good with this? I'm not trying to bring in anything like that's too much of this deep navy either, because I really just so love this aqua color. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I wanted to look at my other a la carte goodies just for a second, just, you know, because I love them. Not really a fishy thing. We were putting in a dock onto this lake, and this was in May in Michigan. So it was warm outside. That water would be freezing, just so cold. So not bringing in this color, although it does really work with the wood grain. It's quite gorgeous. Boy, do I like that. Okay, so this is my little process of elimination. Like I said, these are all these little a la carte goodies because we get the best a la carte goodies in the store. We are lucky, lucky people who are part of the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. So the peachy's a little bit different, although I do love the idea of bringing in this gray star with this galvanized kind of thing. So is there a spot? Gosh, I really like those gray stars. Maybe just a little tiny cute gray one. I have a bunch of stars there. And over here, if I put one more, that would take care of my little star clusters. I think I just try to find a way to get puffies in. And then I have some little word stickers as well. And the green's not bad at all. And I can still get in some of this pink. So I'm going to get some little tiny word stickers in if I can find a place to put them in. I'm going to put a little bit of these yellow gemstones by Clover Lane, also a la carte on here, and I will show you my finished project in a minute. I think I want to finish this off with just a little bit of splatty bits, and I have this gorgeous Nuvo Mica Mist, and the color is Aspen Gold. So gold always works. And in these little gemstones, there are gold flecks. So I thought that might look rather pretty together. Now, since it's my very first time using this, I don't know how large the splatty bits come out. So I'm trying to be delicate at first and then not. So very, very pretty gold. It's a little bit more of a softer, delicate gold. So that will work for this situation. And splatty bits next to a lakeside kind of a layout is only going to be a good thing. So I hope you like what I came up with. I'm going to have links down below for the blog, for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, for the website, as well as our Facebook group. So hopefully you can join our kit club and make yourself an order, because the a la carte goodies are the best. And I have Nuvo, and I also have some gorgeous goodies from Shimmers as my a la carte goodies. So the gold is starting to dry, and you can get an idea right there what kind of gold shimmer bits we get. Alrighty, that is it for today. I will see you guys later, and have the best scrappy time ever. Bye, friends.